Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to join a Discord server and connect with your favorite communities, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated step-by-step process to join any Discord server quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or computer, whatever you prefer. Once you're inside the app, take a quick look around. Everything begins from the home screen, which is your main hub for messages, servers, and settings. Next, tap the home icon. You'll usually find it in the top left corner if you're using mobile, or on the sidebar if you're on desktop. This is where all your current servers are listed. If you haven't joined any yet, don't worry, that's exactly what we're about to do. Now, find and tap the plus icon. This is the button that lets you either create a brand new server or join an existing one. It's a small but powerful symbol that opens the door to thousands of different communities across Discord. When you tap the plus, choose the option that says Join a Server. This tells Discord that you already have an invite link and just want to join in on the fun. Here's the important step. Paste your invite link into the space provided. This link usually looks something like discord.gg, followed by a mix of letters and numbers. You can get it from a friend, a social media post, or a community's website. Once you've pasted the link, tap Join with Invite Link. Discord will then connect you to the server instantly. You'll see the server's name and channels pop up on your sidebar, ready for you to explore. And that's it. You've officially joined your new Discord server. From here you can chat, share, listen, or game with other members. It's a simple 5-step process that opens up a world of new conversations and friendships. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy Discord guides and tips. Thanks for watching.